Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to turn on dark mode in Discord on PC with the latest update. If you're tired of the blinding white screens and want a more comfortable experience, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Discord app. You can find it in your taskbar, desktop, or start menu. Once it's up and running, you'll immediately see all your servers and friends ready to connect with. Now, look for the gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's next to your username. Click on it to access user settings. In the user settings menu, scroll down on the left sidebar until you find the appearance option. Click on it to head into the customization options. Here comes the exciting part. Under the theme section, you'll see a variety of choices. To enable dark mode, simply select the dark theme. Voila! Your Discord interface instantly transforms into the sleek, dark aesthetic that's easier on the eyes, especially during those late-night gaming sessions. And that's it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in Discord on PC. Enjoy the calming colors as you chat with friends, share memes, or organize your next raid. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.